Next, so MOID of nitrogen molecule close. So bond order is 3 and magnetic property, diamagnetic property. Next one. MOED of oxygen molecule. MOED of oxygen molecule. Molecular, orbital, energy level, diagram of oxygen molecule. Okay, right. First of all, oxygen molecule formula O2. So oxygen molecule converted into oxygen atom plus oxygen atom. Oxygen atom plus oxygen atom. Clear. Two oxygen atoms. So first oxygen atom. Next second oxygen atom. First oxygen atom, second oxygen atom. So oxygen molecule formula O2 and oxygen molecule converted to O plus O. So first oxygen atom, second oxygen atom. Clear. Next oxygen atomic number 8. Same nitrogen atomic number 7. Oxygen atomic number 8. Next oxygen atomic number 8. Okay. And oxygen electron configuration, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Oxygen electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Next same oxygen electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Okay. So oxygen atomic number is 8 and electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Same oxygen atomic number is 8 and electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So first of all, s orbital. So s orbital is always only 1. Second one also s orbital. So only 1. And third one is p orbitals. P orbitals are 3, px, py, pz. Px, py, pz. So s orbitals only 1. Same s orbital only 1 and p orbitals are 3, px, py, pz. Next same s orbital, so only 1. Next s orbital same only 1 and p orbitals are 3, px, py, pz. Px, py, pz. Clear. So s orbital 1, same s orbital 1 and p orbitals are 3, px, py, pz. Same s orbital only 1, s orbital only 1 and p orbitals are 3, px, py, pz. Clear. Next electron configuration. So 1s2. Next 2s2, 2s2. Next 2p4. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Same electron configuration. 1s2. Next 2s2. Next one 2p4. 2p4. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. And electrons 1s2, 2 electrons. Same 2s2, 2 electrons and 2p4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Filling of electrons. Same 1s2, 2 electrons. Next 2s2, 2 electrons and 2p4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Filling of electrons. And these are atomic orbitals. These are atomic orbitals. So atomic orbitals combine and to form molecular orbitals. For example, 1 plus 1, 2. So first one is bonding molecular orbital. And second one is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Bonding molecular orbital. Next one anti-bonding molecular orbital. So 1 plus 1, 2. So these are atomic orbitals. Atomic orbitals combine and to form molecular orbitals. So first one is bonding molecular orbital. Second one is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Bonding molecular orbital, anti-bonding molecular orbital. Next say 1 plus 1, 2. So first one is bonding molecular orbital and second one anti-bonding molecular orbital. So bonding molecular orbital, next anti-bonding molecular orbital. Close. Next 3 plus 3, 6. So 3 plus 3, 6. So 6. Total 3 bonding orbitals. So 1, 2, 3 and remaining 3 are anti-bonding orbitals. Bonding molecular orbitals. First 3 are bonding molecular orbitals and remaining 3 are anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Clear. So 1 plus 1, 2. Bonding molecular orbital, anti-bonding molecular orbital. Same 1 plus 1, 2. Bonding molecular orbital, anti-bonding molecular orbital. 3 plus 3, 6. First 3 are bonding molecular orbitals and remaining second 3 are anti-bonding molecular orbitals. In nitrogen molecule 2, 1. But in oxygen molecule 1, 2. 1, 2. So very simple. 2 plus 2, 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same 2 plus 2, 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 4 plus 4, 8 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4, 8 electrons. So very important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So building of electrons, very important. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So first one is sigma 1s2. This is sigma 1s2. And this is antibonding. So sigma star 1s2. Sigma star 1s2. Next same sigma 2s2. So antibonding sigma star 2s2. Sigma star 2s2. And individual orbital is sigma 2p z square 2 electrons. Next degenerate orbitals, that is pi 2p x square pi 2p y square. Equal energy level orbitals are degenerate orbitals. So first one individual orbital, that is sigma 2pz square, and remaining two are equal energy level orbitals are degenerate orbitals. So that is pi 2px square pi 2p y square px py pz. Okay. And next one says sigma star, because antibody 2p z 0, there is no electrons. Next pi star 2p x 1, only 1 electron, only 1 electron. Next pi star 2p y 1, only 1 electron, only 1 electron. So individual orbital sigma 2pz square, and remaining two degenerate orbitals, so pi 2px square and pi 2py square. Same individual orbital sigma star 2pz 0, and remaining two are degenerate orbitals are equal energy level orbitals, that is pi star 2px 1, pi star 2py 1. So this is MOED of oxygen molecule. So very simple. First of all, oxygen atom atomic number 8, electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Same oxygen atom atomic number 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So s orbital only 1, s orbital only 1, and p orbitals are 3, px, py, pz. Same s orbital only 1, s orbital only 1, and p orbitals are 3, px, py, pz. And filling of electrons 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Same 1s2, 2s2, 2p4s. 2 electrons, same 2 electrons, next to 4 electrons. Next 2 electrons, 2 electrons, next to 4 electrons. And these are atomic orbitals. Atomic orbitals. Atomic orbitals combine and to form molecular orbitals. So first one is bonding molecular orbital, second anti-bonding. Same bonding molecular orbital, second one is anti-bonding. And first three are bonding molecular orbital, second one is anti-bonding molecular orbital. And filling of electrons 1, 2 plus 2, 4 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Same 2 plus 2, 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 4 plus 4, 8 electrons. 4 plus 4, 8 electrons. First of all, individual orbital 1, 2. Next degenerate orbital 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 7, 8. So sigma 1s2, antibonding sigma star 1s2. Sigma 2s2, antibonding sigma star 2s2. And individual orbital is pz, sigma 2pz square, and remaining two are degenerate orbitals, so pi 2px square and pi 2py square. Same sigma star 2pz 0, individual orbital, and remaining two are degenerate orbitals, that is pi star 2px1 and pi star 2py1. Pi star 2py1. So this is MOED or molecular orbital energy level diagram of oxygen molecule. Oxygen molecule. Okay, right. So first point, that is bond order. Bond order. Find the bond order in oxygen molecule based on MOED. Based on MOED. So bond order is equal half into bonding molecular orbital electrons. Bonding molecular orbital electrons minus anti-bonding molecular orbital electrons. So bond order principle half into bonding molecular orbital electrons minus anti-bonding molecular orbital electrons. Okay. So half into, first of all, bonding electrons 2. Same bonding electrons 2, 4. Next bonding electrons 6. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. Total 10 bonding electrons. Total bonding electrons are 10. So 10 minus anti-bonding molecular orbital electrons. Anti-bonding molecular orbital electrons 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. So first 2, next second 2, next third. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So anti-bonding molecular orbital electrons are 6. Anti-bonding molecular orbital electrons are 6. So 10 minus 6. So half into 4. So 2 ones are 2, 2s are. So bond order is equal to 2. Bond order is equal to 2. So in nitrogen molecule bond order is 3. But in oxygen molecule bond order is equal to 2. So nitrogen molecule bond order is 3 and oxygen molecule bond order is 2. Bond order is 2. So first one close bond order. So bond order principle half into bonding molecular orbital electrons minus anti-bonding molecular orbital electrons. So half into bonding electrons are 10, anti-bonding electrons 6. So half into 4, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So bond order is 2. Close. And next one, magnetic property. Next one is magnetic property, either para or dia. Magnetic property. Magnetic property. Very, very important. For example, so in molecular orbitals, bonding molecular orbital or anti-bonding molecular orbital, presence of unpaired electrons. Presence of unpaired electrons. So presence of unpaired electron means paramagnetic property. Completely presence of paired electrons, diamagnetic property. So for example, presence of unpaired electrons. So magnetic property is para because presence of unpaired electrons. And third one, energy level. Energy level of oxygen molecule. Energy level. Energy level. So bottom to top, very simple. First of all, sigma 1s2, sigma 1s2. Next, sigma star 1s2, sigma star 1s2. Next, sigma 2s2, sigma 2s2. Next, sigma star 2s2, sigma star 2s2. Next, so sigma 2pz square, 2 electrons. And next, degenerate orbitals, equal energy level orbitals, that is pi 2p x square is equal to pi 2p y square is equal to pi 2p y square. And next continuation, so pi star 2p x 1, pi star 2p x 1 is equal to degenerate orbital pi star 2p y1, pi star 2p y1. And next, last and final, sigma star 2p z0. So this is energy level of oxygen molecule. So first of all, sigma 1s2, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma star 1s2. Next, sigma 2s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma star 2s2. And next one, sigma 2pz square. Next, degenerate orbitals are equal energy level orbitals, that is pi 2p x square is equal to pi 2p y square, 2p y square. And next one, pi star 2p x1, pi star 2p x1, degenerate orbitals, so equal symbol. Next, pi star 2p y1, 2p y1, pi star 2p y1. And last one, sigma star 2p z0. So this is energy level of oxygen molecule. So first point, bond order. So bond order is 2. In nitrogen molecule bond order is 3, but in oxygen molecule bond order is 2. And next one, magnetic property, paramagnetic property, due to presence of unpaired electrons. And third one is energy level. So bottom to top. So this is MOED of oxygen molecule. So first one is MOED of molecular orbital energy level diagram of nitrogen molecule. And second one is MOED of oxygen molecule, molecular orbital energy level diagram of oxygen molecule. So very, very important. Okay. And next. Next one. So MOED of nitrogen molecule. Second one, MOED of oxygen molecule. So nitrogen bond order is 3 and oxygen bond order is 2. And nitrogen magnetic property, diamagnetic property, and oxygen magnetic property, paramagnetic property. Right. And next, most important, MOED, molecular orbital energy level diagram of O2 plus 1. O2 plus 1. O2 plus 1. Nitrogen molecule, oxygen molecule. Next, O2 plus 1. O2 plus 1. Okay, clear. First of all, 2 oxygen atoms. In O2 plus 1, total oxygen atoms are 2. First oxygen atom and second oxygen atom. For example, plus 1 charge. Plus 1 charge. So plus 1. Plus 1. Okay, 2 oxygen atoms. First oxygen atom, second oxygen atom, and plus 1 charge. Plus 1 charge. Clear. So first oxygen atom. First oxygen atom. Second O plus 1. O plus 1. O plus 1. Generally, oxygen atomic number 8. Oxygen atomic number 8. Same oxygen atomic number 8, but plus 1 means loss of 1 electron. Actually, oxygen atomic number 8, but plus 1 means loss of 1 electron. So remaining electrons are 7. Remaining electrons are 7. So actually, oxygen atomic number is 8. Okay, no problem. But plus 1 means loss of 1 electron. Loss of 1 electron. So remaining electrons 7 electrons. 7 electrons. Okay. So oxygen atomic number 8 and O plus 1 7 electrons. 7 electrons. Next electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 because 8 electrons. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8 electrons. Next is 7 electrons. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 2p3. Loss of 1 electron. So remaining electrons are 7. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Clear. So first of all, s orbital only 1. Same s orbital only 1 and p orbitals are 3. Px, Py, Pz. Px, Py, Pz. Same s orbital only 1. Same s orbital only 1 and p orbitals are 3. Px, Py, Pz. Px, Py, Pz. So electron configuration 1s2, next 2s2, next 2p4. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Same O plus 1 electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 2s2, 2p3. Clear. So 1s2, 2 electrons, 2s2, 2 electrons, 2p4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 electrons. Same 1s2, 2 electrons, 2s2, 2 electrons, and 2p3, 1, 2, 3. And these are atomic orbitals. Atomic orbitals. Atomic orbitals combine and to form molecular orbitals. So 1 plus 1, 2. First one, bonding molecular orbital. Second one, anti-bonding molecular orbital. Same 1 plus 1, 2. First one is bonding molecular orbital. Second one is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay. And next 3 plus 3, 6. Very simple. Very simple. 1, 2, 3. Next 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 2, 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2, 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 4 plus 3, 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Filling of electrons very important. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electrons. 7 electrons. So this is bonding molecular orbital. Same anti-bonding molecular orbital. Same bonding molecular orbital, anti-bonding molecular orbital. Same these three are bonding molecular orbitals and remaining three are anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Clear. So this is sigma 1s2 and this is sigma star antibonding. So 1s2. Sigma 2s2 antibonding. So sigma star 2s2. Sigma star 2s2. And individual orbital is pz orbital. So sigma 2pz square. Sigma 2pz square. And this is pi 2px square. Next pi 2py square. Px, py, pz. And next one this is pi star 2px1. Next pi star 2py0. And last and final sigma star 2pz 0. 2pz 0. So sigma star 2pz 0. 2pz 0. So first one pi star 2px 1. Next pi star 2py 0. Sigma star 2pz 0. Individual orbital is pz orbital. And antibonding, so star 1. Sigma star 2pz 0. Pi star 2px1. Pi star 2py 0. So this is MOID of O2 plus 1. O2 plus 1. Okay. So first one is bond order. Find the bond order in O2 plus 1 ion. So bond order. Generally bond order principle. That is half into bonding molecular orbital electrons minus anti-bonding molecular orbital electrons. Okay. So half into bonding electrons 2 plus 2 4 plus 6 10. Bonding electrons are 10 minus anti-bonding electrons 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 10 minus 5. So half into 5. So bond order is 2.5. Nitrogen molecule bond order is 3, oxygen molecule bond order is 2, and O2 plus 1 molecule bond order is 2.5. So half into bonding molecular orbital electrons. So 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 10, minus anti-bonding electrons 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. So 10 minus 5. So 5. So bond order is 2.5. And next one, magnetic property of O2 plus 1 ion. Very simple. Presence of one unpaired electron. So magnetic property is para. So presence of unpaired electrons, paramagnetic property. Completely presence of paired electrons, diamagnetic property. So in this diagram, presence of one unpaired electron. So magnetic property is paramagnetic property. And third one is energy level. Of O2 plus 1 ion. Very simple. Sigma 1s2. Next sigma star 1s2. Next sigma 2s2. Next sigma star 2s2. And next one sigma 2pz square. And next these two are degenerate orbitals. So pi 2p x square is equal to pi 2p y square. And next one pi star 2p x1. Pi star 2p x1 and degenerate orbitals. So equal symbol pi star 2p y 0. Next last one sigma star 2pz 0. Sigma star 2pz 0. So sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. Next sigma 2pz square, pi 2px square is equal to pi 2py square. And next pi star 2px1 is equal to pi star 2py 0. And last one sigma star 2pz 0. So this is MOID of O2 plus 1. So only 3 points. Bond order is equal to 2.5 and magnetic property, paramagnetic property,